guys, today is the day that I hit 20 subscribers. Because I hit 20 subscribers, so I'm gonna introduce myself through slam book. Back in my high school days, slam book are written in notebooks. Yep, like this. So inside the slam book, there's information about your name, etc., address. Slam book will be given to a friend or someone who is interested in you, and ang mga matagaan sa slam book ay mga gwapo-gwapa o mga sikat sa high school. School days, I was not that popular and I'm just a regular high school student, just going to school, talking to friends. I'm rarely given the slam book. Without further ado, I'm gonna answer a slam book. First is name. My name is Jim Sandrick Costan. Birthday is April 15, 1992. My nickname back at home is Jimboy or Dada. My friends call me that. And here in Thailand, they nicknamed me as Jimbo because that's what I introduced them. For the address, my address in the Philippines is Baybay Kulambugan, Lanao del Norte. And here in Thailand is Charan Sanitwong, Soy 92, Charan Sanitwong. School graduated. So at elementary, I graduated at Holy Cross Elementary School. And on my secondary is Holy Cross High School. It's just Holy Cross. Yeah, Holy Cross. And my tertiary is Cagayan de Oro College, FINMA. Course. Bachelor of Science in Hospitality and Restaurant Management. Hobbies: watching anime, basketball, cell phone games, PC games, console games, zodiac. My zodiac sign is Aries. Motto. My motto is I'm too young to die and live life to the fullest. Favorite song. My favorite song is First Date by Blink-182. Food. My favorite food is Inunhunan, Skabitse, and Burger Yum from Jollibee. Dessert. My favorite dessert is mango float and fruit salad. Sports. So my favorite sport is basketball. Yeah, basketball. All the way basketball. Movies. So my favorite movies are Saving Private Ryan. Describe myself. I'm just a regular guy or should I say a weird guy because I'm talking to a camera. Just see me in personal. Just that. Just see me in personal. Crush means to be inspired. Yeah, just to be inspired. I hope you enjoyed the video and click that like button, subscribe, share, and if you want, just click that bell below or upstairs. Or I don't know which is which. So this is the end of the video and thank you for watching. Kadush. Anong English from ko ito? Pag-Bisaya. Sunod, mag-English Bisaya ko. Para sayon. Uy! Ga-record mo din eh.